Hello Craft Gin Club and welcome to the Shivering Mountain Distillery. I'm Nick Malachinsky, I'm the founder and distiller here. Shivering Mountain as a name comes from a mountain at the head of the valley where we are in the Peak District between Sheffield and Manchester. The mountain is called Mam Tor, which means Mother Mountain. So a couple of hours ago we went up to the top of Mam Tor to take some shots to give you a flavour of the mountain and the surrounding countryside so you can see how beautiful it is. So welcome to the Peak District. The spot I'm standing on is the highest point on Mam Tor, the Shivering Mountain. We waited 3 weeks for some good weather so we could do this. In terms of the flavour, it has a juniper spine. It's still a very traditional London dry gin, but on the light side. We have a berry platform that comes in because we're still using some of the berries, the bilberries and the sloes in that mix, albeit in a very small way, and they do provide that nice base tone to it. But you can get the floral flavours that come out, the elderflower, the blue mallow that comes out of this, and then the finish at the end, we actually use a little bit of Szechuan pepper just to give a bit of a zing to it alongside the cardamom right at the very end. So there's a little hint of spice and a hint of crackle at the end that just gives it a nice finish to it. The bottle itself, as you've seen in the magazine probably, we actually try and encapsulate a model of the mountain, Shivering Mountain, in the base of the bottle. We've ribbed the glass on the bottle, trying to get a shiver effect as the light passes through. We use a copper coloured stopper and copper foil on the label because copper used to be mined in the Peak Districts quite a few years ago. And if you come and have a look around the valley and want to walk up Mam Tor, on the top of Mam Tor there is a trig point, a little stone tower that stands about this high that marks out the highest point of the mountain. And on the base of the bottle we've got the map coordinates of that trig point. So as we say, as long as you've got a bottle of gin with you as you're walking up the mountain, you're not going to get lost.